Hey guys, it's Anthony and Sam here with S.A.S Skills, and today we are doing an unboxing video. We each got a box.
Alright, to be more specific, these are the Airsoft GI March Madness mystery boxes. Lots of really cool guns that you can get. Anyways, I'm going to unbox mine first, so if I can scoot over a little bit, and then he's going to unbox his second. So I have this really crappy Chinese knife that I'm opening it with. The blade's actually kind of broken at the end, so I'm just using that to cut it. And I'm actually going to use a knife. Alright, I cut the size just to make the process a little bit quicker, and not take so long. Alright, so I just opened the box a little bit, just when opening it, and I saw something that was really, really cool, but I think that this is the M4 one. That isn't very good at all. I think it's very, very bad, because I can see this AIM sports thing, which I'm guessing is the scope that comes with the M4 and scope thing. And there is plastic, which it fell out of. Batteries for it. For whatever reason, they have this gigantic package for this one tiny little thing. Bet that wasn't even in the camera. Alright, so there's paper here. It says, "A gift for you, thank you." Alright, it has a BB Wars $8 card value promo thing for the viewers. Just a little thing. And this is saying, yeah, just the ship and stuff. Alright, so I did get one of the worst, not one of the worst, but one of the worst guns that they have. It's the Elite Force KMP Basic Full Metal AEG Airsoft Rifle, which I'm pretty sure retails for $150, but on sale for $100. So this was pretty much a ripoff.
Wasn't there 40 of them?
There was 25 of these.
25.
So I got really lucky with getting a bad gun. A lot of tape.
I need to borrow my knife. Not really sure.
Alright, you can stop. Almost just stabbed my hand. You know, nothing to worry about though. Puts back in the sheath. I'll kill myself. Wait a minute. This might not actually be the one gun I'm thinking about. I mean, it looks like the one I'm thinking about. That's really bad. But it might not be. Wow, this is actually pretty heavy. Anyways, yeah. Alright, so it just came with the gun, a ICAP magazine, a little jamming rod, like maybe 10 BBs. That I'm just going to throw away because it sucks. Now see, this didn't even come with a charger, so I doubt it came with a battery. So I'm going to have to order one of those. Owner's manual. I'm not going to use that. Do not return this product to the store. And something. And the thing that says, "What's your mag?" and it's telling me to buy their ammo, which I already do, so yeah. I think that's like, alright, so this sight doesn't look extremely bad, but it doesn't look extremely good, so yeah. Hopefully Anthony will have better luck than I did, because I'm yeah, and see, just in the package, this sight cover thing broke, so yeah, that sucks. That's basically it. So I'm just going to put this gun over here. Anthony, come feel this. This is really heavy.
Alright guys, Anthony here, and now I'm going to do my unboxing. Hopefully I get something better than what Sam got. And hopefully I don't get AK-47. I won't mind the P90. I've never had one of those before, but I have had the AK-47 before, so I know it's not the best. So much tape on this thing. feels about the same weight as Sam's box, so kinda worried. Alright. Okay, it looks different so far. Don't see a sight from Sam saw. This is gonna be the same stuff Sam got, pretty sure.
Anthony.
Yep, it is
Anthony.
different.
I'm pretty sure you got one of the better guns.
Shush. Don't see a label. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what this is. Can you get rid of that, please?
Me, Anthony.
I got
Look at me real quick.
the GC16 MPW7. See if I said that right. Oh no, this is the G&G Combat Machine GC16 MPW7 Full Metal AG Airsoft gun. Wow, I think it's a little better. Let's open it up here and see how it looks. See the manuals and warranty information. That feels pretty good. Wow, I like this. Definitely gonna be using it. Flip up rear and front sights. That is pretty cool. So, yeah, I think we're going to be doing a review on the guns we got, and you'll definitely see us using a little more in the future. So this has been an unboxing. Definitely disappointed that we didn't get the monster box, but, you know, that's what happens. So, see you in the next video. Peace.